All right, I got file, some what's this called? Sandpaper, I was gonna say grip tape, and some wax. This coping is a little bit too sharp, so we're gonna go ahead and file it down and sand it off. Yo. All right, that should be good enough to grind. I've done it to my other coping in my box at home, and it's gonna grind way easier now. It's still sharp, but I don't have a grinder right now, so a file and some sandpaper goes really well if you're trying to like smoothen out the coping and less sharp. Just a tip for y'all. I'm gonna go stretch and go skate now.
Fucking retyped my truck yesterday too.
That's the worst, bro. Don't mess with the trucks.
Huh?
That was cool.
That was a toe for sure.
No, yeah, I saw that. I saved it.
Yeah, Joe.
What a beautiful Sunday. Holy shit, there's Yugo. Yugo Mizuno. Oh, that was switch. Hell yeah, Jock. God damn. God damn. He's landed. Oh, that was so sick. Got everybody here today. Even Jeff. Hell yeah.
I'm just gonna follow and take photos of you. Is that okay?
I'm long lensing you right here. You go, you're a celebrity. Go. Oh, hell no.
Sunday.
Hey, look, there's Donald.
When you're ready, when you're ready.
Donald's back.
It's reunion day or what?
I don't know, right?
All the boonies except for Jeff, bro.
Man, I'm super out of focus. I don't give a
Bro,
fuck.
it was like 18. Because he won Skate of the Year that day.
That was first try. This is long lens. Come on, let me see that crook. Go, go, don't stop. You go, go.
All the original boonies, not the
You
tourist
guys-
boonies.
You guys not skating like this anymore?
I still skate like this, dude.
There you go.
Yeah,
Crook.
so one missing.
I think injured daddy. Me, I'm a dink, dude. Dual income, no kids.
There you go, crook. That crook line, yeah. You can weave through them.
Is it go skate day?
Yeah.
So you will Donald. Bro.
This is a weird day. Everyone is here from like 10 years ago. Like everybody. It's crazy.
Well, hey, some of us never left, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah. Me and you then. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, I'm kind of just broken.
Welcome back. That's like our conversation nowadays. Right?
What? I'm fucking broken. My knee's broken. Joff! Today's a crazy day.
It's like 2014.
Holy shit, man. Really crazy. Hey, fuck! actually fire.
Go try it on.
You, I think it's gonna come.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
First one.
Imagine if we had this one. We were fucking.
When we're not hurting. For fun.
Oh, Teka, you gotta go. Okay, go one more. Go ahead.
Wait, before we go, like, you gotta
You know, Yugo brought, not everyone, but everyone's back.
Yeah.
Kind of interesting.
Yeah. Yeah, kiwi.
I'm making Yugo go right now, so he doesn't get
He's
cold.
like in a cig break right now.
No,
Cigarette in hand, dude.
with the cigarette in hand,
Hell yeah.
right out of dropping from fucking airport. What?
I don't know if I can land.
Okay,
I'm just gonna get a BTS.
go.
I'm ready. Shit, that'd be sick. Like, but like that's too much light. That's like too much light on it. Alright. Alright, guys, look cool. Watch out, dude.
Alright, let's go.
Look here.
Okay.
So, like a sweet drink. Yeah, I don't know if like how Japanese shit, like it's more of an American thing than Japanese. You can get it. I'm not saying all Japanese kids are talking about some black.
Oh, yeah.
But like,
Just probably gonna stop it down if you stand out.
Steep.
my wife and
This guy is sacking all the stuff from the pools right there. What you doing, guy? Come on, Slash. What are you doing, man? He's stealing the metal from the bottom of the poles. What are you doing, Slash? Come on, man. Whoa, you regular?